Yeah, g'day. It's Chris O from the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. This floor that I'm doing, or this job I'm doing, I'm up to the second grout stage, so I'm cleaning it up and just making sure that my lines are clean. I'll show you how I clean my lines in a minute. So I'll be grouting up here. I'll show you how to mix the grout. So all the tiles are laid. I'm doing the front entrance in a black non-slip tile. I'll be grouting in and around here, into the laundry, into the bathroom. I'll be starting the walls on Monday. See how I've done that. I'll talk about that later. I don't have to line up everything, but I never ever split tiles. So you lay it on a 45 like that and you don't have to line up with your lines. It's a cool way of doing the shower. So the toilet's ready to go. Once I've grouted, the toilet can go back in when the plumber's fitting off. So I'll show you how I clean my lines. Even though I'm super anal about keeping lines clean, you've still got to go over them. And I do still get a bit of glue here and there, but you don't leave it too long so the glue is super dry. You try and get it as soon as you can. But even though I try not to get any glue in my lines, you still get a bit. But it's pretty easy to scrape out if you have any glue on top. There's a plastic clip. A bit of plastic left in there. So you just get that out. This is the best way I know. You can fluff around with an isolating tool and all that sort of carry on, but you know, if you've got stuff all glue to start with, well then. So yes, even though you try and keep your lines as clean as you can, there's still always a little bit of glue that you get from time to time in your joints. And you glue on top of your tiles. You just get a scraper and scrape it off. So yeah, as I was saying before, this is the best way I know. I don't claim to know everything, but I have been doing it for a while. If you're a DIYer, well then a sponge and a bucket while you're tiling is probably a good thing, because you could be a little bit messier. This way of cleaning your tiles and your grout lines does not chip your tile in any way, doesn't scratch them. They're a porcelain tile, they're heavy duty. The clip needs to come out so you freshen your blade. Ushka. Gotcha, you bugger. It was a little bit tricky, that one, but most of them come out pretty good. I always buy these snap-off knives. I reckon they're cool. Each knife costs about $2. Cheap. You get a stack of blades for $1, you know. Then I can have 3 or 4 on the go at once. So I'll never lose a knife. All right, well I'll catch up with you again when I start mixing the grout. I'll come back to you. I've got another half an hour or so of cleaning up my lines. There's quite a few meters on the floor. So I'll be back. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, ring the bell, and we're laughing. We'll see ya. Bye.